Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alifia Nurhaidar and I am from class 9 grade at MTS Al-Ahliyah. This text is part of my English practical exam assessment, in which I am asked to tell my experience during my study at MTS Al-Ahliyah. My journey at Al-Ahliyah began when I first entered to school through Matsama and MTP activities. During this time, I was introduced to the school environment, school rules, teacher, and new friends. The activities were quite busy, but they really helped me adapt to school life. This moment became the beginning of my journey as a student at MTS Al-Ahliyah. When I was in the 7th grade, everything felt new to me. I was still learning to adjust to the learning system and the classroom atmosphere. During this period, I started to learn to be more confident, brave, and know to ask questions and practice actually in learning activities. My homeroom teacher in grade 7 was Miss Lia. She guided us with great patience and always give good direction to assist new students. From 7th grade, I began to understand the importance of discipline, responsibility, and togetherness with friends. Entering the 8th grade, I began to feel more confident and comfortable in the school environment. I understood the learning process better and became more familiar with the teacher and my classmates. In this grade, I learned to be more responsible both in the studying and my behavior. I also started to manage my time better and became more serious in carrying out my responsibilities as a student. My homeroom teacher in grade 8 was Miss Haji Susi Mawaddatus Surur. She often reminded us to always be disciplined, focused, and never give up. During this time, I also become more active in joining school activities that help my personal development. When I was in the 9th grade, the atmosphere felt different because it was my final year at MTS Al-Ahliyah. Academic demands became higher because we had to prepare ourselves for exams and our future. In this grade, I learned to manage my time better, improve my focus on studying, and prepare myself mentally and academically. My homeroom teacher in grade 9 was Miss Haji Ida Lidayani. She gave us a lot motivation, support, and advice so that we could complete your education well. The 9th grade became the closing chapter of my journey at this school and left many precious memories. At the end of this journey, I would like to express my gratitude, prayers, and hopes. To my parents, thank you for your endless love, support, and prayers. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala always grant you health and blessings. To my teacher, thank you for the knowledge, patience, and guidance you have given me. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala reward all your kindness and dedication. To my friends, thank you for the togetherness, laughter, and support we have shared. May we all achieve our dreams and success. To myself, I hope that in the future I can become a better person, more responsible, and continue to grow. And to MTS Al-Ahliyah, thank you for being the place where I learned, grew, and created many valuable memories. Finally, I hope that all the knowledge and experience I gained during my study at MTS Al-Ahliyah will be useful for my future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.